My name is Varshney Ganesh Lakade. I am studying in class 9th B of Indian School Sohar, and I am here today to talk to you about artificial intelligence. AI is changing world of education. You will find this interesting because it is also used in online classes which we attend daily due to the pandemic. Artificial intelligence is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. AI is an interdisciplinary science with multiple approaches, but advancements in machine learning and deep learning are creating a paradigm shift in virtually every sector of tech industry. Every industry has a high demand for AI capabilities, especially question answering systems that can be used for legal assistance, patent searches, risk notification, and medical research. AI works by combining large amounts of data with fast, interactive processing and intelligent algorithms, allowing the software to learn automatically from patterns or features in the data. AI is a broad field of study that includes many theories, methods, and technology. AI shows great potential in automating administrative work and making tasks of organizations and professors easier. Besides managing the classroom environment, teachers and professors have traditionally also had to manage numerous administrative and organizational tasks. Except for evaluating homework, grading tests, and reading essays, they are also in charge of filling different paperwork, managing teaching materials, organizing resources for lectures, making periodic progress reports, and more. In fact, an interesting survey reveals that teachers spend their time on planning lessons about 23%, making tests about 16%, teaching about 43%, and doing administrative work about 18%. These numbers tell us that educators spend a lot of their time performing non-teaching tasks, which can be overwhelming. This is where artificial intelligence can be quite handy. It has the power to grade tests and manage administrative work, which takes a huge load off their shoulders. Another way AI changes the education industry is by adding new methods for students to achieve success. The term smart content is a very popular topic among organizations, educators, and students since it makes learning quite easier. When we talk about smart content, we refer to different types of virtual content including digitalized guides of textbook, video conferencing, and video lectures. Robots can now improve the learning experience by creating customizable learning interfaces and digital content that applies to students of different grades. For elementary and post-secondary schools, they are able to make the content easily digestible by dividing it into comprehensible chunks, highlighting important lesson stuff, summarizing key points, and more. And they even create audio and video content. Thanks to this, students can easily access all these materials, learn much faster, and reach their academic goals. According to a study, customized learning can improve student achievement no matter what their starting level is. All students are different and approach learning differently, and while teachers cannot manage to personalize their teaching methods for a whole class, nor can they provide one-to-one sessions for everyone. It seems like AI can be of great help here. Powers the platforms that digitize textbooks and allow students to access them on different devices from anywhere at any time. This is great for students who are not able to attend classes and even allows foreign students to study certain courses that are not available in their countries, opening opportunities for a much greater number of students. What's great about these platforms is that they can also translate learning materials in different language, which will facilitate learning for non-English speakers. Traditionally, students have had to wait until they are in class or professors are available to resolve any questions or doubts, but not anymore. There are various AI-powered chatbots created specifically for the education sector. They serve as round-the-clock assistants students can consult from anywhere and at any time. This allows them to get quick and relevant answers or solution without having to wait for next class or office hours. Some Chinese academic institutions have started using AI-powered facial scans to identify students. This not only eliminates the need for student IDs but also has various other research, security, and administrative uses. For instance, these scanners are replacing students' ID cards when they want to have lunch in the canteen or when they want to take a book from the library. Moreover, many schools worldwide also use these facial scans to prevent crime and identify the students when they do some harm. Many institutions and universities around the globe use AI-powered assessment tools. These allows them to carry out tests online. They prepare the queries and exercises themselves using a preset question bank that the teachers design. Once the students finish their test, they assess the results as well. What's a great about this type of exam is that they are more secure than regular examinations. They offer smart settings and configurations that you can utilize when assessing tests to selected user. They allow limiting the availability and creating different groups with selection of random questions for each of them. That prevents cheating, and while they save teachers lot of time, reduce their work, and avoid the risk of human error, many institutions doubt their credibility because of chances of students to cheat. Applications of AI in education are plentiful. The technology is benefiting both educators and students as well. There are numerous uses of AI for the education industry. AI-based devices offer personalized learning services for every student. Using ML algorithms, AI-enabled education systems are customizing the learning materials based on their knowledge, experience, and learning mode. Digital voice assistants may be your next tutor in the coming years. Modern educators are using voice assistants in offline environments. For instance, Alexa can get study resources without the need to open a personal computer. It supports students in way how a teacher supports learning. Not so far in the future, we can expect artificial intelligence and machine learning to occupy an integral place in all educational experiences. AI has started to prove its advantage and power in a wide range of educational areas, and it remains to be seen how the technology will empower and enhance overall learning outcomes for all. Thank you and have a great day ahead.